We all live in a very busy world, and we have no time for ourselves, no time for family, no time for friends, no time for love. Because all the time we are running and looking and searching to find ourselves, to find our purpose in this world and what we want to do. And always we are thinking how we can manage this and that, how I can reach this, job in life, or how can I. Always we have this question, how and why. But if you stop thinking so much and start acting, your life will be better. I'm not saying we shouldn't have plans, we shouldn't have goals in this life. But once you set your goals, you place your goals and dreams on a paper, and you know exactly what you want, don't keep changing and running from here and there, because time is precious. That's why. Stop thinking a lot. Don't waste your time. If I want to do like this, what is going to happen? If I want to do, don't look at what's going to happen. Stop thinking. Don't waste your life thinking and thinking without doing anything. Because the more you think, the deeper you go into details, and then you start to develop this fear of doing things, fear of losing, fear of being a failure. Don't waste your time thinking and thinking. Once you know exactly what you want to do in your life, you know the purpose, you know your goals, you know what makes you happy, stop thinking and start acting. Do something, do what makes you happy. Even if you are not sure 100%, give a try. How you know if you'll be successful or not if you don't give a try? Who gives you the guarantee if you start something, you are going to be the winner or you are going to be the loser? Nobody can tell you what's going to be tomorrow. But you'll know yourself tomorrow. You'll find out yourself how it's going to be tomorrow. Just tomorrow. We know what is now. We can't predict what's going to happen tomorrow or next year, or when you are going to be successful or when you are going to be a failure. But if you learn to take things as they are and stop thinking so much, stop wasting your time and life of thinking, better start acting. Do something which fulfills your life, your heart. You are full of joy, no matter what you want to do in your life. Just do it. Just do it. Of course, all we have moments, ups and downs. But don't lose yourself. Don't lose yourself, and don't stay there in front of a paper writing what you want to do, how you can find a solution. Move out. Move out, meet people, ask people, collect information. And do what makes you happy. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your life. Every moment in our life, every second, it's so important. Don't you see, we have no time for family, we have no time for friends, we have no time for love, we have no time for ourselves even. And this is just because we sit and think too much instead of doing. Start now and do what makes you happy, what fills you up, what brings you joy. Stop thinking and stop predicting it might happen. Just look ahead, don't look backwards. Even if something is about to come, you'll figure it out how to manage. But don't waste your time making plans over plans. Once you set up your plan and your goals, go out. Stop thinking. Start acting. And the result will be exactly as it should. Once you move, things, they will move around. and you'll reach exactly where you want. So don't waste your life. Don't waste your life looking at the paper, looking at your goals and doing nothing. Learn to stop thinking. I know all of us, we want the best, but my words for you, it's don't waste your time on thinking, but go and spend your time on doing. That will take you where you want to be and have time for you, for yourself, for the loved ones, for your family, for your kids, for everybody. Don't waste your time on thinking, go act.